Hello everyone, this is Gitika Chawla from USPC Jan Public School, and today we'll start question number 4 of exercise 11.4 of chapter 11, perimeter and area of class 7. Here in question number 4, a veranda of width 2.25 meter is constructed all around outside a room. Fine, see, this one pink shaded portion is representing a room and this one green portion is representing the veranda, which is all around the room here, which is all around the outside of a room, which is 5.5 meter long. Fine, it means to say here the length of this one veranda is here 2.25 meter, it is given here, and here around it, what is saying here, there is one outside of this one room, the room's width, what is given here, the room, his length is 5.5 meter long, and it is here width is here 4 meter. Mean to say here in this room, this is the room here, and this one length is here 5.5 meter and this one width is here 4 meter. But here according to this sum, the length, this one, the width of this veranda, it is here 2.25 from this side, 2.25 from this side, 2.25 from this side, and 2.25 from this side. Fine. So I am again explaining here in this portion here in this diagram, this one, the portion which is inside, that is representing a room, and this one outside portion is green color, is representing the veranda of the room here, and which is outside of the room here, the veranda. And here the width of the room, the length, first of all the length of the room, it is 5.5 meter, and the width of the room is here 4 meter, and the width of veranda all around the room here, it is 2.25 meter. So what is asking here, the area of the veranda we have to find out, we have to find out the area of this green portion here. And also after in second part, the cost of cementing the floor of the veranda at the rate of rupees 200 per meter square, means we have to find out also the cost for cementing the veranda also. So let's start it this one sum. So as we have to find out the area of the veranda, so what we'll do, first of all we'll find out the area of the room including veranda, then only the area of the room. So what we'll do here, we'll subtract the area of the room from the area of the room including veranda here. Then we'll get here the required answer, means we'll get here the area of the veranda here. So let's start, see how to write here. The length of the room as it is given, it is 5.5 meter, and the width is here as given as 4 meter of this room here. And now after that, the length of the room with the veranda, means we want to find out the total length, as it is 5.5 and here it is 2.5, here it is 2.5. So on adding all, we got here 10 meter. Fine. With the same here, and now we have to find out the breadth of the room with the veranda. Already we know the its breadth is there 4 meter, and from here and from both the sides we can say it is 2.25 meter wide here. So 4 plus 2.25 plus 2.25, that is 8.5 meter. So this is the length and breadth of the room with the veranda. So now what we have to find out, we have to find out the area of the veranda here. So how to find out the area of the room with the veranda minus area of the room without veranda. So when we find out the area of the room with veranda, we'll use your length as 10 and breadth as 8.5. So 10 multiply 8.5 minus, when we find out the area of the room without veranda, we'll use your length as here 5.5 and breadth as 4. Fine. So on multiplying both brackets here, what we got here, 85 minus 22, and on simplification we got here 63 meters square. Mean this is the area of the veranda here only. And now what we have to find out, we have to find out the cost of cementing the floor of the veranda at the rate of rupees 200 per meter square. Now it is given that when we find the cost of cementing 1 meter square of the floor of the veranda, we will spend only rupees 200. But when we going to cement the veranda up to this much area, that is 300 meters square. So what we'll do here, we'll multiply directly 63 with 200. Fine. And we got here that is 12,600, and this is the required amount. That means the cost of the cementing the veranda, that is 12,600, and this is the required answer. And with the same way you can do question number 5 yourself.